Hello people, in this video we want to look at what reference protein is. So basically proteins can be from vegetables or from animals. To understand reference protein, so basically what they're saying, it is nothing but egg, okay? If you want to understand reference protein means egg, basically these have digestibility and high biological values. That's why they're called as reference protein. So digestibility means what? Biological value means what? You have to understand that. Biologic value means it is the fraction of the absorbed nitrogen which is retained in our body and it is used for growth and maintenance. So finally how much nitrogen you are going to take from it and utilize. That is what is biologic value. Biologic value of what? Of the protein source. So you understood that egg proteins, they have very good digestibility, they get absorbed very well, looks like, and they have a very high biologic value. That means the nitrogen is taken from these and utilized by our body very well. That's it. So it is also called as F100, right? Reference protein. Which is reference protein, guys? Egg. Very good. See, this protein quality, the quality of protein is assessed by comparison to the reference protein, which is usually egg protein. So you'll compare everything else on earth with the egg protein. So the methods of assessment of protein quality, which need mention, there are two things by which you measure the protein quality: amino acid source and net nitrogen protein utilization. Only two, isn't it? Yeah, only two. So for protein quality, you have two methods of assessment: amino acid source and net protein utilization. Two things: amino acid score and net protein utilization are for quality. And for quality itself, you're going to compare things against reference protein. So all these are for what? Protein quality. For protein quantity, they have one more. For quantity, they have measurement, that is PE%, protein energy ratio. Protein energy ratio is giving you what? Protein quantity. So guys, did you understand? Protein quality, quantity you want to measure. This is quantity. Quantity means how many, right? So quality means how good it is. So for quantity, what and all you have parameters, reference protein, you can compare against that. Then majorly there are two things: amino acid score, okay, and then net protein utilization. These are some two methods of measuring the quality. Amino acids, what and all types of amino acids are you going to get? All the essential amino acids that you need. That's a score. Then net protein utilization. Did I say that right? Net protein, yeah. And then here you have quantity. Quantity you are going to measure by protein energy, some ratio. We'll just look at this amino acid score. It is the measure of the concentration of each essential amino acid. Focus here, guys. So basically it is the essential amino acid, each of them, the concentration in this protein, and it is expressed as a percentage of that amino acid in that reference protein. In the reference protein, what is the percentage of that amino acid? In this test protein, how much of this essential essential amino acid is there? Look at the essential amino acids. You have isoleucine, leucine, threonine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, valine. Which one shall we take here? We'll take this phenylalanine. Okay, anyone you can take, phenylalanine. So what they're doing in the reference protein, that is in egg, how much phenylalanine is there, divided by the amount of phenylalanine that is there in the test protein. So this will give you for one amino acid. Like this for all these essential amino acids. How many essential amino acids are there? 8 looks like, right? Isoleucine, leucine, threonine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, valine. Just remember these names. Other names you don't have to remember at all for other types of amino acids. Because this, if you know, you will know the others are not essential. Essential, how many other? 8. Leucine, isoleucine, lysine. So LLL itself, so many other. Lysine, leucine, isoleucine. So are we lost with the list of amino acids? Let's come back. So amino acid score means what you understood. You're multiplying by 100. Okay, very good. Next one is what? Net protein utilization, NPU. So NPU is net protein utilization. Basically here they're talking about nitrogen. The nitrogen intake divided by, the nitrogen retained by the nitrogen intake. So you intake some 100, but you retain some 80, something like that, isn't it? And this is about nitrogen. NPU actually is net protein utilization. What is it about? It's about nitrogen retained by the body divided by nitrogen intake. So here they are saying, if the nitrogen NPU of a particular protein is low, it means that you need to eat more of that protein. Protein requirement is high. NPU is low, protein requirement is high. 1 gram protein is assumed to have 6.25 gram of N. But this is not about just that. It is though this protein has this much of N, that is nitrogen, how much are you going to absorb and how much are you going to retain in your body? That is what they're checking here, isn't it? Then protein quantity, we already told you. What is protein quantity? Protein energy ratio. Simple. Over. We're done. They're giving some values here. What did they say? Egg is 100. So if egg is 100, they're taking it as reference protein, and you don't want to eat egg, which I also don't, then which are the other sources that we have to look for? Milk. Okay. You don't want to take milk, then fish. Fish if you don't want to take rice. Rice is 67, they're saying. Okay. So in this video, we understood reference protein. What is reference protein actually? It is egg. Okay. It has high digestibility and biological value. That means biological value means what? It is the fraction of absorbed nitrogen and retained in the body, which is used for growth and maintenance. So we are absorbing a lot from egg. Okay. If in case you don't like egg, then you can go for rice. Okay. Or milk if you want. What else we saw? How do you measure protein quality? By reference protein and amino acid score and net protein utilization, which is nothing but the nitrogen retained by the body. Then we saw protein quantity you will get by energy from protein by total energy in diet. So protein energy ratio. So that's it guys in this video. Bye bye.